How to fix direct message not showing on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix direct message not showing on TikTok. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, update TikTok app to the latest version. Launch Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Tap on the search icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap the search bar and then type in TikTok. Simply, if you see the update button, tap on it and update it to the latest version. The second step that you need to follow is simply launch the TikTok app on your device. And make sure to follow and followed back with that user. If you want to see the direct message option on TikTok. Sometimes what happen is maybe due to the privacy policy of that user, they may have hidden the direct message option. In that case, you can simply ask that friend to allow DM on TikTok. The other step that you can follow is simply tap the profile icon at bottom right corner and then tap three line at top right and then at the bottom tap setting and privacy to access this page. After that, choose the privacy option. And here, you need to select direct messages under interactions. And here, tap allow direct messages from and then say to friends. Once you have done that, you can easily fix the direct message not showing on TikTok. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.